Hey, what's up guys, it's me again in a new video. Today we are, going to discover how to get your new hard disk inside. So for some reason the hard disk looks pretty big, so let's get it out and get it back in. So just going to explain what's happening here. So as you can see, these are my two hard disks of each 500 GB that is already inside. So we are going to take that away and get this 2 TB hard drive inside. So let's just get started. And so we have some silicon. That is a hard drive itself. Okay. First you have to slide the hard disk holder outside like that so that you can get your hard disk installed. And you can see that the hard disk is fixed to the holder, so you need to remove that. So if you like kind of flex your hard disk holder, you have the pins on the side, so that's what is going to hold your hard disk in place. So I'm just going to snap the new one in place. That's how we do it. So let's get this in. There we go. Now it's all good in there. So we are going to slide the hard disk holder back right in its place. We also have a third hard disk holder. So first let's get this back into its place. There we go, it's back safe and secure in there. Now let's go ahead and clip this one. But before doing that, I'm also planning on removing my third hard disk, which I'll be doing right now. So let's just remove this. There we go. And all you have to do now is to connect this part to your hard disk, and that's pretty much how you connect your hard disk to your PC. And if you want to see the unboxing video of the hard disk that I just installed, I'll be linking that in the description below. And thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.